Class 9 Science and Technology Part 1. Chapter 2 Work and Energy Part 3. In this part we are going to discuss about power. Let us discuss an example.
Can your father climb stairs as fast as you can? You can climb the stair fast than your father. Will you fill the overhead water tank with the help of a bucket or an electric motor fast? Of course, the electric motor can fill the tank fast than you.
Here the three friends want to climb the top of the mountain in the three different modes. Rajeshri moves in car, Yash moves in bicycle, and Ranveer moves by walking. Who will reach fast? Definitely, Rajeshri will fast, reach the top. Then that of the Yash and Ranveer. What do you understand here? So power we can define as the rate of doing work is power. If the W is the work done in the time T, then the power P is equal to work upon time, that is W upon T. The unit of power in SI system is joule per second, and in CGS system is per second. Joule per second is also called as watt. Let us discuss in the detail about the relationship between the units of power.
In the industrial sector, the unit used to measure the power is called horsepower. Always remember, 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. The unit of energy for commercial use is kilowatt hour. 100 joule work performed in 1 second is 1 kilowatt power. Therefore, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt multiplied by 1 hour, that is 1000 watt multiplied by 3600 seconds, which is equal to 36 lakh joule. Therefore, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Always remember, electricity is used for domestic purpose is measured in units of kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit.
Dear students, here we go to study some of the short examples based on power.
Introduction to the scientist. The steam engine was invented in 1781 by Scottish scientist James Watt. This invention brought about an industrial revolution. The unit of power is called watt in his honor. James Watt was the first to use the term horsepower. Example number 1. Swarali takes 40 seconds to carry a bag weighing 20 kg to a height of 5 meters. How much power has she used? So in this given example, mass of bag is 20 kg, height is 5 meter and time is 40 seconds. Therefore, the force which has to be applied by Swarali is equal to F into M into G, that is 20 into 9.8. Therefore, F is equal to 196 Newton. So, work done by Swarali to carry a bag to a height of 5 meter is equal to F into S, that is 196 into 5, which is equal to 980 joules. Therefore, power is equal to work upon time equal to 980 upon 40 is equal to 24.5 watt. Question 2. A 25 watt electric bulb is used for 10 hours every day. How much electric energy does it consume each day? Given in the example is power 25. Work done is 0.025 kilowatt. Therefore, energy consumed is equal to power into time, that is 0.025 into 10. Therefore, energy is equal to 0.25 kilowatt hour.